Double and triple tonguing notes that repeat themselves in a measure, yeah, that gets a little boring after a while. Now the real fun comes in when we have to double and triple tongue notes that change themselves one after the other. But no worries, I can help you out with that. What's going on, everybody? This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your tongue and your fingers to move at the same time when double and triple tonguing phrases. So let's get to it. So far in this channel, we've learned how to properly execute double and triple tonguing. We've learned how to increase the speed of our double and triple tonguing. And we've also learned how to increase the finger speed or dexterity in our trumpet playing. Now, finger speed or fingering notes in general doesn't necessarily highlight double or triple tonguing, but it indeed plays a huge role when we get ready to play phrases that we have to double and triple tongue where the notes change one after the other. So here we go. So let's remind ourselves how to double tongue and how to triple tongue. So this is how you double tongue. Taka 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 1, 2, ready. And this is how you triple tongue. Ta taka ta taka ta taka ta taka 1, 2, ready. Now that we have double and triple tonguing in our heads, let's review one thing that I highlighted back in my finger speed video. So if you remember, I talked about how to position your right hand when fingering notes on the trumpet. And so it's really important not to have straight fingers when pressing the valves down when playing the trumpet. Have your right hand in a C position in order to really get those valves pressed down when you're playing the trumpet. Like this. That C position is really important because when we get ready to double tongue notes that change one after the other and our right hand isn't in the C position, then we're going to have a hard time executing that phrase within a measure. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So in that clip, I tried to double tongue with my fingers positioned straight on the valves. And as a result of that, I sounded very sloppy and my fingers kind of moved slower than my tongue because when you press the valves down with straight fingers, it feels very stiff. And when it's stiff, you can't really move your fingers as fast as you want to. And also, I was pressing wrong valve combinations, so I was playing wrong notes as well. So now I'm going to show you guys with that same exercise with the correct hand positioning, which is with the C position. Here we go. With your right hand positioned in the C, it leads to better results. You sound a lot better and you're able to press down the correct valve combinations. That way you're able to tongue every single note, and every single note will speak out as you're tonguing them at the same time as well. So always remember, make sure your right hand is in a C positioning when fingering notes on the trumpet. Being able to move your tongue and your fingers at the same time while playing the trumpet takes a lot of focus and concentration. So when you begin to work on this, do not start at a really fast tempo. Start off really, really slow. I would recommend beginner's tempo, which is about 65 beats per minute. So I'm going to do a double tonguing and a triple tonguing exercise, and I'm going to really focus on moving my tongue and my fingers at the same time. So here we go. Double tonguing first. 1, 2, ready. Triple tonguing now. 1, 2, ready. So when you're working on this, remember to start at a really slow tempo and build the tempo up as you go. That way, you'll get a lot more comfortable with being able to move your tongue and your fingers at a faster speed. So there you have it. That's how you work on moving your tongue and your fingers at the same time when multiple tonguing. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and I'm out. See y'all in the next video. See ya.